Hosting this evening, we are here at Morley's What You Telling Me, the latest track from MC Bushkin and Sweetp. Let's give them a round of applause. The question is, what track, the studio, the vibes, can you tell me the story?
I'll let Peter answer that one.
So we were in the studio. Can you hear me? Yeah. We were in the studio and we were feeling kind of voicey. And so I think I left the bush and said to him, what are you telling me? And he said to me, what are you telling me? And we started the track. So it's, the whole point of it is, the whole song is about being, you know when you look in the mirror sometimes and you're like, I'm looking on top, I'm feeling on top. What are you telling me? The world, I walk outside and I feel like, what's the world telling me? So that's where the song kind of came from.
Yeah, man, that's
So yeah, I think we should just go for the song, right?
Yeah, go for it.
Wait, they never said it first.
Hold on, look at this. You know, I'm putting my toothpicks here.
You know what, I want to echo what Jay said. Thank everybody for coming down. You know what, we were running Fashion Relay today. We got some merchandise made, and the last week we had to go all the way to Leicester. Yeah, so we've actually just come back from Leicester. We've been changing in the car and stuff like that. But the point I'm trying to make is, like, BushBash Recordings is an independent label. Yeah, so we are self-funded. This is our own money that we're putting in. It's not any job money or anything like that. Yeah, so we're working hard and trying to build something for our people, and yeah, so for everyone else, spreading love and peace and pum pum through the power of music. Yeah, so that's our motto. Yeah, so a lot of people say to me, oh, Bush, what are you too vulgar? You don't chat about pum pum underneath this, that, and the other. Yeah, but I always tell them, you know what? Some people like to chat about guns and knives and those kind of things there. That's not our bag. It's a lot of people love chat about the vanity and stuff like that. Although you see a man that look clean, it's not about that. We're here to spread love and vibes through the power of music, and say we add on pum pum onto that. Because pum pum is life. People need to understand it. So when we talk about pum pum, it's life. At least we know something can come from it.
No say.
Yeah. So now, anyway, all jokes aside, what I'm just saying, big and serious, this is an independent movement. Yes, and a lot of people, a lot of artists out there, some of your favourites, I'm not going to hop them up, they're screaming independency, but they're backed by major record labels who are funding them, and them labels are doing all sorts of unsavories. I'm not going to go into that, but this, as you see us here, you see us coming in carrying the boxes and that kind of thing, that we just come back from Leicester. This is our own thing, it's our own money, and so we're just asking you from the bottom of my heart, please support the thing, you understand? Please, if you're on Spotify, add us, follow us on the Spotify, subscribe to the YouTube, you understand? Comment up the thing. I know a lot of people are saying these kind of things, but this is very genuine from our hearts. Yeah? We're trying to build something, not just for ourselves, yeah, for the generations to come after us, through the power of music. We're trying to uplift people through the power of music. So yeah, man, blessings, love us for everyone for coming down. And yeah, man, we're gonna go on to the sequel. Big up Jay as well. Where's Jay, man? Come on, Jay, man. You know, you're a crowd here. Big up Jay. You know. Make some noise for Jay, you know. Jay, she didn't come down. I didn't know where Jay, because we just chatting on her WhatsApp. She's like, oh, I'm running late. I'm saying, oh, we're running Fashion Be late as well, you know, Jay. She's like, oh, I'm going to be at half past there. I'm like, oh, where did you come from?
Mate, I came from Century.
Okay, well, there you go. I'm just making people know it's an independent thing, you understand? There ain't no one behind this. This is us and you do. One brother, man. Bless you, man. Yes, man. Love to see the people come out and support, you know. Big up Morley, you know. Make some noise for Morley to having us, you know. Yeah. So they're supporting the movement, man. So yeah, man, have respect. Alright, Peter, I'll let you kick it off.
Alright, if you know this song, the mic's not working, but don't worry, I can still sing. Listen, if you know this song, sing it with me. Yeah, yeah. Na na na. You ready? I think you know it. Come on, let's go. How can you do what you're telling me? I knew when you're this, what you're telling me. And she wants to think what you're telling me. Cause all of my friends want to tell me. They say I'm the shit when you're telling me. But calling the rest like they're telling me. And he just a bitch want to tell me. You ain't caught it like this when you're telling me. So what you telling me? What you telling me? You put the whole world you won't find a better me. She said I'm so edible.
She wants to enter me, she wants my cup of cheese. She wants to trigger me, she been with release. Sarah and Stephanie, back in those young Welsh girls, who me crazy steadily. Breakfast with Tiffany, take a special Brittany. Chillin' with the black girls, for I love my Ebony. I got the drip when you telling me, I leave with your bitch when you telling me. She wants to dick, wanna tell on me, cause all of my friends wanna tell off me. They think I'm the shit when you telling me, but causing the bricks like they're telling me. The haters of this wanna tell on me, you ain't quiet like this when you telling me. What you telling me? Felony, no who's a felony. It's carpet season and you gon' play the penalty. Say that's not be wrong, go to enemy. To so on, she had to bring a friend for me. Bring a friend for me, cause three's company and sharing is caring. I ain't with that jealousy, nobody. You keep with my pedigree, the talk and the Jeremy. So what you telling me? I got the truth, what you telling me? I leave with your bitch, what you telling me? She wants to dick, wanna tell on me, cause all of her friends wanna tell off me. They say I'm the shit, what you telling me? I'm causing the press like they're telling me. The haters of this wanna tell on me, you ain't quiet like this when you telling me. When I name is brave, I'm at the embassy. Place, stripping name with destiny. Give her my cane, like her name with melody. She giving me the brain, while sitting on the energy. We took a break, expensive was the chemistry. Moved on to physics, straight onto biology. She said she likes me, feeling my anatomy. I told her keep a secret, she said that she gon' tell on me. I got the truth when you telling me, I leave with your bitch when you telling me. And she wants to dick wanna tell on me, cause all of my friends wanna tell on me. They say I'm the shit when you telling me, I'm causing the bricks like they telling me. The haters of this wanna tell on me, you ain't quiet like this when you telling me, when you telling me. Make sure that she's telling me.
MC Bushkin. But we're live and direct in Morley's, you know. How did this get shut down in Morley? What are we saying? Are we hungry? Has anyone got any hungry bellies in here? I feel like you think you deserve it. Now that don't sound like you want no Morleys. Do you want some Morleys? I got one mug of Morleys over here. No one else is getting none. Do we want some Morleys? That's more like it.
Yes, we say no.
What are we saying? Are we ready to start serving?
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's do this. Big up Morley's one time.
I want a side breast. This is like, what's a side breast?
I'm a best number,
I want a side breast, yeah? Morley's to get served on the bench. Did he do it his first time?
You really think this is my first time? It definitely is.
It was free. Yo, brother, can I get service with a smile, please? There we go.
I'm coming. You I'm gonna shoot. What do you want to do? What's the choice? Hello, madam. How you doing? What can I introduce you? That's the side breast there. Come on, come today, yo. What's going on? You alright?
Yeah.
Can I introduce you to some?
Congratulations.
Can I introduce you to some more? Do you want wings or
Everyone want wings and chips. Wings and chips.
Wings and chips? Yeah, wings and chips. There you go. Wings and chips, bang bang. There you go. Come on. Pardon? You sure?
Yeah, I mean,
sometimes you know, what's going on, sir? Can I get you something? What you want? Wings and chips.
Alright, Brad, I'm looking for breast now.
Can I get some wings and chips? We're really slow in it. I'm sorry. How about yourself? I don't know what we're doing. Ladies first. What's going on, sir? What can I get? What can I get? Wings and chips. Oh, wings and chips. Take the piece of chicken. Chicken and chips. Chicken and chips. Chicken and chips. We're going to get the lady over there. Chicken and chips. Thank you. Yeah. I'm not sending her. Whoa. I guess we're still having for the gentleman. How much of the place? Thanks. You're more. You give me a piece of chicken. Only chips. Does anybody just want chicken? One chicken. I'm never going to cuss any person again. I go to chicken shops and stuff like that.
What is it? Is it headache?
I never miss. I'm like,
You're not very good.
Where's my name?
I'm not going
It's
under pressure, yeah? It's a little bit. I said, when I go Morley every time, so I'm easy. Go Saturday, man.
Don't do the island.
What's happening? Only chips. I had to bring some time to help.
Can I get some,
Yeah, those are the black wings.
Sure, what?
and then like just a couple of chips, ketchup, mayonnaise.
Ketchup, yeah.
This is a wicked collab though, I love it. I'm loving the collab.
Maybe get a little bit of chips in that one.
Mayo. Should I swap that for the mayo?
That's what it was.
Just a little bit of chips, boss. Kind of it.
I got sauce everywhere.
I've got that.
No one make my feelings